Welcome, everyone. I am thrilled to be your instructor for this R-Online Physics course. So let's get started and have some fun while we explore the wonders of physics. Today we will learn about Kepler's 3 laws of planetary motions. But who was Kepler? Johannes Kepler was a German astronomer who formulated 3 laws of planetary motion that helped explain the movements of the planets around the Sun. These laws are the law of ellipses. The orbit of each planet around the Sun is an ellipse with the Sun at one focus. This means that the path of each planet is not circular, but rather an elongated oval shape. The law of equal areas. An imaginary line that connects a planet to the Sun sweeps out equal areas in equal periods of time. This means that a planet moves faster when it is closer to the Sun and slower when it is farther away. The law of harmonies. The ratio of the square of the orbital period of a planet to the cube of the semi-major axis of its orbit is the same for all planets in the solar system. This means that the farther a planet is from the Sun, the longer it takes to complete one orbit. These laws help to provide a mathematical explanation for the movements of the planets, and were a major step in the development of modern astronomy. I hope you enjoyed learning about Kepler's 3 laws of planetary motion. If you found this video informative and engaging, please like, comment, and subscribe to our R-Online classes for more exciting physics lessons like this one. And don't forget to share this video with your fellow students or friends. Thank you.